So this is the frame that has been sitting around collecting dust. Like literally there is dust and dirt. The back has been separated. Sorry for the lighting. It's really bad lighting in here, but it's collecting dust. You can see the back is separated. The glass is still in there. So we're gonna clean this up and get started before it falls over, making this into our dry erase board. So be back soon. Oh, you can see the dust flying around, but sorry for the setting. I had to use the bed, but there's the frame. Oh, got dust flying still. Okay, ignore the dust particles. And then I cleaned the glass, nice and shiny. And then the back is just cardboard. But we're going to use this, of course, because we need the back, but we're also going to use it to measure our whiteboard, poster board that we're going to use to draw the dry erase, the calendar portion on. So, and then you can see my teal stained pillowcase. Anyway, so we've got it all cleaned, it's all dusted. It is missing a few corner bits, so I might have to go pick some up at the hardware store, but it should stay together without it. And I cleaned both sides of the glass. So yeah, let's get to tracing and making that calendar bit. Okay, so I have the white, mostly white, poster board. This one's been sitting around in my house for a while. It's a little bit water stained and a little bit wrinkled, but we're going to use a section that seems to be pretty clean over here. We'll see. I might have to go buy another one. I'll see how this looks when I'm done. But then I'm just taking the back and I'm lining it up on the corner, and then I'm going to cut it to size along here and here, and then that'll be able to fit in our frame nice and snug. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And then I will work out the calendar portion, which will have a title and then all the days of the month. So yeah, we'll cut this to size and then I'll bring you back to work on the calendar. Okay, so I just got done planning out the calendar for my dry erase board. It's kind of hard to see. I've just done it in pencil so far, but I've left about 1 inch on the bottom and then a little over an inch on the sides. Does that look crooked? I think it's just the paper's warped. And then my size is a 20 by 16 overall length size. And so I made my squares 2.5, let's see if you can see that, 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And then at the top, I have a 1/2 inch up there for the days of the week. And then I left about a 2-inch gap at the top where I can write in the month. And then I'll go over all of this with Sharpie and make it nice and bold. And then we'll pop it in the frame and see how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wrote the days out and it is all lined up. I did it freehand following the pencil lines. So if you wanted something a little less imperfect, you could go ahead and use a straight ruler to draw your lines with a Sharpie, but I don't mind, at least not right now. I might change my mind later. You could do this on any color you want. You can, I've even seen ones with like decorative paper. But yeah, and then we'll just pop this in the frame and then we can write all the days of the month on it. It is 5 rows high, I should have said, because most months are 5 rows. And then we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you prefer doing yours Sunday through Monday through Sunday, that's totally up to you because this is something you make. It's kind of like a bullet journal. You can kind of create it any way you want. And then I left the space up there blank because that's where I'll be writing in the day of the month. Anyway, yes, let's pop this in the frame and I'll show you what it looks like, and that'll be it. And here it is, the finished dry erase board. As you can see, mine's all red and a little bit of green because most of my dry erase markers apparently have dried up since I used them last. But yeah, I wrote the month and the year, filled in all the dates, and then I put some appointments, like all my dog sitting appointments, and the New Year's, and then I marked Christmas, and I'm gonna fill in all the other information in there for the month, and then when the month is over, I wipe it all off and write something new. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I will see you soon.